You want to try?
Cause I'm too humble for this shit, I'm crazy. Somehow I always switch up on you, but you never see the shit you say you never do. So tell me what's up, are you in or are you out? Are you here to stay or are you falling back out?
What's up, you guys? I'm finally back with another video, and it's with this crazy ass hair. And today I'm gonna do a video on how I do my high puff. A lot of people have a lot of questions on how I do it and how I do my edges. I might do a updated edges video because, you know, I just learned how to do my edges last year. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I achieve my high puff, then stay tuned, and you do not want to miss this one. So first, I start off with my spray bottle to get my hair all moist. It's easier to manipulate your hair when it's wet rather than dry, because when it's dry, your hair is easier to break and it's not manageable. Like when it's, it's manageable, but you can't really like manipulate it and move it to where you want it to be. So wet hair is always better hair. Next, I take my hard bristle brush and brush it up towards the front of my hair to position where I want my puff to be. Then I take my Afro pick and start picking out my curls. I like my curls to be a lot bigger and fluffy, so I pick my curls out, and that's what helps. Then I take my Gorilla Boogers and use that to hold my hair down. This is really the only product that really holds my hair down like that, so this is what I use. Then I start brushing my forehead again just to make sure all my hair is laying down, and then it's time to lay the edges. Now it's time to pop that rubber band right on that head so the pineapple effect can begin. And sometimes you might have to brush again, so yeah, let's get her done. Don't forget to pick them curls out so you can make that puff fluffy again. Now, sis, it's time to get them edges on fleek and lay them girls down. And then you can go about your business. Oh, hey, baby. So guys, this is the finished result with my hair. I don't know, I just play with my hair to kind of make it bigger because I love when my hair is like super puffy. But yeah, this is just what I do. Now you don't have to follow my method. I use this nasty ass Gorilla Snot, and it does wonders for my edges. If y'all can see them, they're not perfect, but yeah, they do a little whatever. Let me see if I can fix it. Just get it wet a little bit. Normally I'll tie it up with it like a scarf or something, but just running to the store, so this is really the finished look. And my shoulders are hella broad, so but this is the finished look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very short video because it's not really a lot that I do to get my hair up like this. I just pull it up and brush it or whatever, and that's normally how it goes. So if you want any more videos, request all the videos that you want, and I shall get them to you. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for sharing this video. Share this video with all your friends. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your Uncle Joe, tell your cousin Bob. Tell your best friend Jessica. Just tell them. Let them know that Monet is coming with a hella more videos, and she coming to take not your spot, but to come sit next to you at the table. You feel me? So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best, and I pray that y'all are blessed and that y'all tune into the girl stuff so you can get more views and stuff. You feel me? Anyways, peace, you guys.